you guys? It's your favorite quarantine cutie, Mel, back again on my Soul Posh channels to give you guys yet another video. So I saw that I got a lot of traction on my wax strips video, so I wanted to follow up and tell you guys or give you guys some tips that you can use to avoid ingrown hairs. I'm someone who have struggled with that in the past, and I'm just now learning how to really take care of my skin these last few months, and these tips have made all of the difference. And they may sound redundant, but honestly it's very necessary. So the first thing that I'm going to recommend that you guys get is one of these scrub brushes. I actually don't remember what this is called, and this is not a sponsored video, so pretty much anything that you could get off of Amazon or something for cheap. This is a spin brush, so it spins, and I use this on my skin in my bikini area or anywhere that I feel like I want to prevent ingrowns. And basically I take while it's going in circular motion like this, if this is the side of my bikini line, I'm going to, you know, gently go up and down, side to side, you know, and really get underneath those hairs, sometimes so much so that you think that you wouldn't, you can actually see the dead skin leaving. So that's very important. That's a major key. And one thing that I will suggest is, because before I thought that I was exfoliating enough, but I realized that I wasn't doing it enough. I recommend, especially in the first few days of, like, after you get a wax or after you shave, you should do this for a full week. I would do this at least once a day, every day for the first week, just to make sure that as your skin is healing, it's not having any hair stuck to the skin, and you know how the skin can grow over, and then there you go, boom, irritation, all types of things that you do not want. So yeah, definitely gonna suggest one of these. This one was, I think, $30, and I had got it actually off of another YouTube like referral link. So I don't know, but honestly I think that anyone will do this one though. It's pretty dope. It has a smaller head and it has this big body brush, and this is the one that I use on my skin when I'm exfoliating, you know, just my lower areas, to make sure that my bikini line is on fleek. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to suggest is that you guys use this PFB Ultra Triple Action Skin Lightening Post Hair and Removal Serum. So this is good because it just really takes care of a lot of the things that would be an issue, because obviously, like, if you have scarring down there from previous waxes or hair removal attempts where, you know, you have some scarring, maybe you had got some hyperpigmentation, this is going to take care of that. I actually got this from a wax place the last time I had got sugared, and I'm really glad that I have it. It has a lot of alcohol in it, which basically cleans it. The directions say you can use this on your face, neck, underarms, legs, bikini areas. For maximum benefits, apply daily after waxing, shaving, tweezing, yeah, so like I said, this is another thing that you should be doing daily. I do this daily, sometimes twice a day. Like in the morning, if I get my brushing in the morning, I'll do it then. And then especially, you guys, after you shower or say you take a bath or something like that, that is after you dry the area, it's very important to follow up with some of this, because your skin is like, your pores are open, you know, you don't want bacteria getting in there and irritating your skin and causing you any type of shade bumps or any type of ingrown hair. So yeah, I would say that this is super important, or something like this, something that is specifically made for after any type of hair removal. And the thing that's cool about this is that you can use it, like, if you have a mark on your face, or if you have underarm, you want to lighten up your underarms, bikini area, wherever, you know, this is pretty much, you can use this on all of your body, which is nice and unique. I got this from, like I said, from the waxing place, so it was a little bit more expensive. I think this might have been like almost $20, but I've had it now for almost 6 months. So I mean, like, it's worth the investment. Another thing that I don't have on hand, but I do suggest, is vitamin E oil. When you want to moisturize that area, so sometimes I use coconut oil because that's like a light oil, but when I had the vitamin E oil, I will also put that like on the bikini line. Vitamin E is very good for healing the skin. It's good for hyperpigmentation, so if you have any discoloration, that will definitely help you, and it will also moisturize the skin. Moisturizing is my last like really real tip. You need to be moisturizing, and I know that no one really thinks to moisturize your bikini line specifically, or you know, that area right there. You don't really think that it's important to make sure that those areas get moisturized, but it really is if you want to keep your skin from getting irritated. You know, make sure that your skin is nicely moisturized. So those are pretty much my tips, you guys. Thank you guys so much for checking out my video on the wax strips. Like I said, I really love those. If you haven't already, go ahead and check that out. It's my Glee product review. Basically the wax strips that I was using, they don't require heat. They don't it's not messy at all. It's almost like fruit roll-ups. Like they smell like fruit roll-ups too. So they come in little papers, you pull them apart, and then you get 2 per like wax. So super easy. It actually really did work. I personally I think it would have worked better for me for my first time if I would have trimmed, looking back on it, because you know, my hair was a little bit longer, and basically when you use those strips, you might you need to trim it to make sure that it's not too long, because that will prohibit you from getting like other hairs, because it gets sticky. So it got kind of messy, and I had to like, you know, clean up some of the areas with a razor. But if you make sure that you follow the instructions like I did not, then you will be good, and you'll be on your way to saving a lot of money. I didn't mention in the last video that each box was about $8, which is very cost effective. And if you would like to get those Glee products, you could get them at Walmart, but I would strongly suggest checking online before you go to certain Walmarts, because I know that some Walmarts hold products that others don't. So I don't want to send you guys out looking for something that may not be in that particular store. But Walmart is a carrier, and they do sell that product, and they also have like wax strips for your face and your underarms. They have a whole bunch of stuff. They have special razors that are really good. It's a women brand. And yeah, thank you guys. I hope that these tips help. If you have any tips, please leave your suggestions down below. We're all a community here, and I'm sure that someone here can benefit. Oh, another last thing is, I know that a lot of people use lemon juice too to help with their hyperpigmentation, and you know, to cleanse and all of that stuff. So yeah, there's tons of videos on YouTube, you guys. So all of the information that I've got, that I'm telling you now, I've gotten at one point from another YouTube video. So I've tried these things out over the last, you know, few months, ever since I started my wax journey, and it significantly helped my skin. And I never thought that I would be able to shave without getting irritation, and I'm doing it now, and I'm not getting any ingrowns, because now I know how to take care of my skin. So hopefully that helps you guys out. I know the summer's coming up, so you know, get that bikini line right and tight, and I will see you guys around. Make sure to like this video, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, so we can help out someone else, and make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this kind of content. I do things on style, beauty, beauty maintenance. I talk about life, you know, give advice. So if you like those kind of channels, make sure to join me. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, and make sure to check my pinned comment below if you're interested in any of my music content. Also check out the links in the description. Bye.